Hi, this is Christy once again, and this is my helper Isaac. And I didn't want to keep all of the fun for myself in our multiplication class, so I wanted to share with you some of the fun games that we do in our class. So the first one is I made a die, and the reason I made a die is that way I could add a 9 and an 8 to it, and it's used for skip counting. So the numbers that your kids really know are going to be 3, 4, and 7 because those are the songs, and then you might want to add in a 6, a 5, and a 2 for the younger ones, counting by 2s and counting by 5s. So I'm going to give it to Isaac, and he's going to roll it. And he came up with a 4, so then I would ask him to count by 4s.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
And I'm going to have you stop right there. So he's wanting to sing the song, and I actually want him just to say the words because it uses a different part of his brain. So can you
4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 20, 24, 28, 30, 34, 38.
I think we got off. Anyway, so practice skip counting. You can actually write it down. Have them roll the number and then write the numbers in the skip counting as well. So have fun with that one. The next one is Isaac and I are going to play war. So he's got some cards and I have some cards. Grab your cards. And as the parent, you want to count to 3 before you jump in. So count in your head to 3. That gives him a chance. So he's actually going to do addition with me. You can do multiplication. So we have a 9 and a 7.
15.
Whoop. 16. So I would get that one. So 3 and
5.
2. 10 and 5.
15.
Okay, and he does really well at that. Okay, so that's one way. The other way is we have some dominoes here. And so he's going to pick up a domino, and I'm going to pick up a domino, and we're going to add the numbers together or multiply. So I have 6 plus 4, I would say 10.
28.
And he has, were you multiplying?
Wait, no.
He's got
40.
9
40.
and 4. How about you add them? 9 plus 4 is? And this is where you can cue him, and I would say 9 goes
13
and sucks 1 away from the other number, and it's 13. So you can practice, and then it would be the person who has the highest number. So he had 13, I had 10, he would get the dominoes. Okay, so that one, it doesn't need to be speed, it's just the luck of the draw who gets the largest one. Okay, the other one is practice the clock. And the reason we practice the clock again is because of 5. So I would actually kind of just focus on the minute hand and say, when the minute hand is on the 9, how many minutes past the hour is it? And he would say 45. And our little clock here, actually you lift the flap and it actually says 45 underneath here. So you can use any clock. So practice with the clock. And then this one's really fun. This is a cup game. So we would actually, I'll have him collect them, but I have the 5s facts on here, and you can actually write the answer in the inside so they could check it if they need to. So I'm going to say 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 8 is 40, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 9 is 45. And then Isaac is going to collapse them. And they can race their time on that. It's really fun to set them up and take them down. So those are some of the games we play. I hope you guys feel inspired and have fun doing multiplication in your homes.